Nice. Oh, nice. Fourth order.
Yeah.
So did you build this or?
No, Extraordinary Audio.
Extraordinary Audio.
Yeah, out of Winston.
Okay. Wow. So you have two
TV512s.
TV512s on the MD8Ks at 1 ohm or half ohm or 2 ohm?
0.7, I believe.
0.7? Okay.
Or it might be 0.7, either half. I can't remember.
Okay. Nice. Have you metered it yet?
I metered it back before when I had one AK. It was like
Yeah.
a 149. I think it's a 150 now.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay. Nice.
Oh, but well, you can leave it close.
Is it? No, keep it open.
Wow.
Okay.
Say that again?
How's your alternator and battery power?
Oh, so I got Group 34 Northstar up front. Got a 220 in the back that you saw. Got
Yep.
about 80 to 100 feet of zero gauge wire running to the car. I
Okay.
got CES 370.
Yep.
Yeah, hell yeah.
All right. That'll help. All right. I love to hear it. Dude, that's really good, man, for a trunk build. And it's decent bandwidth too, man.
Man,
Yeah.
I think it's total like 41.
41, but it's a fourth order.
Yeah, so to me, I don't really get into the 20s like that.
Yeah.
Like 28, I can play right there, but I like to stay in the 30s.
Okay.
From 30 to like 40 something.
Yes, sir.
In the 30s is really powerful.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thanks for the demo, man.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Yeah, we got a lot of builds to get to. I appreciate it. Nice to watch. And man, what was your name?
Keith.
Keith.
I always watch the video.
Thanks for watching, Keith, man. Great build, dude, for a trunk. Sounds really good.
I hope
Yeah.
it's 50.
Yes, sir. I'd say at least 48, 49s on music. You probably burp a 50 for sure. Oh, yeah.
It was a 40, it was a 149.9 on a 149.8 on one NBAK.
It was. Oh, so you probably went up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.